I can't tell you how many years I turned away work where the tolerances were super tight, or I refused to look at certain drawings because that's just not us.
Understanding the value of my time is a significant change in my mindset over the last few years.
So if I had to go back, what would I do differently? That's a very easy one for me to answer because, there's a lot of things I would have done differently. But one thing that I kind of suffered from was the only machine shop I had ever worked at, and still have only ever worked at, was Lakewood Machine and Tool. I've been here a long time, I've been machining a long time, but I've been very limited in what I've seen out there and the experiences I could have. Back in the day, we used to have some very, very talented machinists here, but some of them were a little bit jaded by the trade, I'm realizing in hindsight. These are guys who have retired now. But one thing they always told me was, oh, we're not a shop set up to do that. We're not a shop that can do super precise work. They never called us butchers, but these guys who used to work here had this opinion that, there were nice shops out there, but we weren't one of them. And one thing I wish I could change if I went back was not to internalize and listen to some of that for a while. I can't tell you how many years I turned away work where the tolerances were super tight, or I refused to look at certain drawings because that's just not us. And now, probably 5-6 years later, since I've changed my thinking on it, we've done the kind of work that I never could have imagined we would do before. So if I could go back, I would probably not listen to other people so much telling me what we can and can't do. And the other half of that is, being with Practical Machinists, one of the most valuable things to me is that I've got to go out and meet a lot of people and see a lot of shops. This means I've been exposed to a lot of stuff that I wasn't previously exposed to. So if I could change one other thing, it would be, as someone who's a little sheltered when it comes to machining back, in the history of Lakewood, I would have made a lot more of an effort earlier to go out and meet other shop owners, check out other shops, see how other people did stuff, because I would have gotten a lot farther, a lot faster than I have. But that said, you can't change the past, and if I had done that, maybe things would have gotten different. So for now, we're all happy with it.
What would I have done differently? Great question. I wish I had have understood the value of my time a lot earlier in the game. I've been in this for 14 years now as a business owner. Understanding the value of my time is a significant change in my mindset over the last few years. Spending and qualifying a customer. So not only is the customer interviewing us, we're interviewing the customer and trying to understand what their needs are and can we help them. I used to drop everything and race out to a customer for a possible sale and then spend hours and hours on it, and then in the end finding out it wasn't a good fit, or we're not getting the PO because of bad communication, or me not understanding exactly what they wanted, or if we're in their budget, all that kind of stuff. So understanding the value of my time and what's it worth. Also, I would have gotten more training earlier on instead of winging it by, I know, I got good instincts, I can figure this out, all that kind of stuff, which I do, but I'd get professional training ahead of time. And that would have brought me up miles ahead faster. Instead of going down the lessons learned road, the training would have helped me not have to go through those tough times. But understanding the value of my time has really changed my aspect of how I view what I'm going to do. Is it worth for me to run something up to heat treat, which if I leave at rush hour, it's going to take me 2 hours, an hour there, an hour back, or can I send a courier up there for $30 or $40? I'm worth more than that over 2 hours, so my time's better spent at the shop. That's some of the things I wish I had done differently, was learn the value of my time a lot faster.